over 200 Egyptian aircraft struck simultaneously. Above, aircraft crossed the canal. Below, artillery columns moved into position. Heavy mortars, BM-21 rocket systems, nearly 2,000 guns, one of the largest concentrations since the Second World War. Israel was unprepared. It was Yom Kippur, a day of fasting and prayer. Soldiers were at home. They did not imagine an attack of this magnitude. By the time they understood, the war was already underway. 5 army divisions attacked simultaneously across a 160-kilometer front. Mobile SAM trucks followed immediately, equipped to shoot down Israeli aircraft approaching. When the freeze broke, Israeli jets roared into battle. For Israel, air power had always been the answer. When the battlefield collapsed, aircraft restored control. The SA-6 changed everything. The pilots saw nothing. The missile saw them. The first aircraft went down, then another, then more. Within the first days of the war, Israel lost 40 aircraft. Launchers moved. Radars shut down, then reappeared. Terrain masked their positions. It was the first time a modern air force was decisively constrained by ground-based missile systems.
The jets are dropping off radar. No enemy contacts.
The threat was not invisible. It was unlocatable.
Confirm losses.
It was a system-level mismatch. The force was operating blind. For the first time, air power could not see what was killing it. Air forces worldwide would later rewrite their tactics.
אנחנו צריכים עיניים למעלה. בלי ציור שאנחנו טסים עיוורים. הטיסות האלה לא חוזרות.
Neutralizing the missile network became the only way forward.
איזו ברירה אחרת יש לנו?
The target was no longer the enemy. It was information.
אנחנו חייבים לדעת מה קורה בצד שלנו.
אדוני, נוכל לטוס עם מצלמה. אם תאשר פנאי, נצא. אתה יודע, זו האפשרות היחידה. אבל זה מסוכן מאוד. כן, אדוני.
Israel adapted the Phantom II for the mission. Designed in the United States as a frontline fighter and strike aircraft, built for speed, payload, and combat, it was now stripped of its weapons. In a radar-dense environment, speed became the only defense. Weapons increased radar cross-section, visual signature, and infrared heat. They made the aircraft easier to detect without stopping the missiles. Bombs were replaced with cameras. Sensors replaced firepower. They were ordered to avoid combat. This was not a fight to win. It was a run that had to be finished. Survival meant bringing the data back. In October 1973, unarmed photo-reconnaissance Phantoms crossed into hostile airspace. Their task? Locate missile systems, radar sites, and force deployments beyond ground visibility. With them began one of the riskiest reconnaissance operations of the war. Aircraft entered SAM engagement zones before recognizing the threat. Missiles were detected only at launch, too late to evade. One aircraft was hit. Instant kill. No warning. The formation broke. One aircraft dove to terrain level. Another climbed into cloud cover. Missiles had altitude limits. Flying low broke radar contact, but it exposed the aircraft to guns. Enemy positions lined ridgelines and rocky outcrops. They manned heavy machine guns. 23 and 37 millimeter anti-aircraft guns were already deployed. The second aircraft was lost. Every altitude was wrong.
Eagle 2 is gone. Break right. Climbing. Eagle 3 going down. Radar lost the track. He's below coverage. Stay on it.
מאושר. אז זה רק אנחנו. כן. אנחנו נקיים? בינתיים.
אנחנו מעל המעטפת.
For now, we're above the enemy.
Above the envelope, no missile could reach them. For now. Above 20,000 feet, they were beyond effective engagement. Fuel consumption increased sharply at altitude. Altitude brought safety. Fuel took it away.
הדלק יורד מהר. זמן לחזור הביתה. יש מספיק לחזור לבסיס? אין מקום לטעויות.
Fuel was no longer a reserve. It was a deadline.
לא עוד צעד אחד.
They descended. Evasion was no longer optional. They flew where radar struggled. They remained below radar coverage. The Phantom skimmed the desert at extreme speed. The Phantom bled energy through each maneuver. The aircraft had been built for speed, altitude, and strike warfare. Now it flew low through dust, heat, and ground fire. At that altitude, terrain became as dangerous as the missiles. Fuel drained faster than expected. The margin disappeared quickly. Every evasive turn traded fuel for survival. Sometimes the missile envelope tightened without warning. Precision replaced aggression.
Missile missed! Stay sharp!
The desert opened. The SAM signatures faded.
אין נעילה. התעלם. פנייה נקייה אחת, מספיק.
Through the haze, the airbase. Only a few made it back. Most did not.
עשינו את זה. עוד משימה הושלמה. בדיוק בזמן לבירה קרה.
Now they had the data. That was the mission. Many pilots died trying to see the enemy. The film canisters the pilots carried home contained the answer nobody had thought of yet.